Alright, this is what I found on my PC not long ago, and there was nothing I could actually do unless it was formatted. Luckily, I created a restore point some time ago, and so I used it to get back my PC in good fix without losing anything.
Hey, what's a restore point?
Oh yeah, a system restore point is a tool developed by Windows to protect and repair your PC when it runs into issues, which can be created automatically by the PC or manually by the user. Welcome back to Danzzy Tech World. A sub to this channel will be appreciated.
But how does it do this?
The tool takes a record of your system files and Windows registry and saves them as a restore point, which the system reverts to when there is a problem. And that's not all. Changes made to the system by apps or the user can also be undone due to this lovely tool. The downside to it is that apps that were installed after the restore point will be unavailable afterwards.
So can this be considered a backup?
Unlike backups which have your files and folders included, System Restore Point does not include that. Let's find out. We search for System Restore Point and head to System Protection tab. By default, System Protection is turned off and needs to be turned on. We select Create and give it a description.
Now we have done this. What next?
Let's learn two ways of restoring the restore point. The first way will continue from here. We click System Restore. The first option lets you take advantage of the last time the system automatically created a restore point, and the second option gives you the opportunity to select the restore point we created. But before we begin the process, we can check to see the apps that will be uninstalled. Click Finish and wait patiently for the process to complete. We go to Update and Security in Settings and click Restart Now under the Recovery tab. Or pressing Shift and the Restart button also works. The system automatically brings you to this menu if it doesn't restart properly, but in case it doesn't, pressing one of the function keys should work. We head to Troubleshooting, Advanced Options, and then System Restore and wait for it to load. We select the account and continue. This part onwards is the same as before, but you should be careful that you remember your previous account password in the case that it was changed after the restore point. Do Do not in any case try to force the PC to shut down during the process, or it could lead to severe irreversible damages. Click the like button if you enjoyed it, drop your comments and share. See you in the next video.